What's going on, guys? It's HotDiecast Garage, and today we're opening the two new Hot Wheels Lamborghinis. These Raging Bulls are from the 2018 KK, so if you haven't watched that unboxing, make sure you check it out. Let's start by opening the modern machine, the Aventador Miura Homage. For those of you that don't know, Lamborghini created this special Aventador to celebrate 50 years of the Miura supercar. The cool thing about that is Hot Wheels most likely chose to make this specific car because 2018 is the 50th year of Hot Wheels. I am a huge fan of the colors on this supercar. The red and gold really do remind me of an Iron Man suit, which is awesome. However, one thing I noticed is that the base on mine does not properly fit in the right corner, causing the wheel to hang lower than it should. You can see the black plastic bottom edge is uneven and doesn't fit into the body, which is a little bit of a letdown. But regardless of the unfit base, the car still rolls, and this Aventador is one incredible casting. I would have to say this color of the LP700-4 has to be my favorite out of every single Hot Wheels Aventador. The tiny Miura 50 logo in the corner is a great touch that really completes the look of the real-life car. Now let's take a look at the second Lambo, the Lamborghini Countach Pace Car. One thing everyone can appreciate about this Countach is the realistic body style, which is a nice change from the tuned model. The shape is accurate, the retro wheels are amazing, and the blue windows give it a classic Hot Wheels look. On the front hood, there's a 50 Grand Prix logo along with nice headlights and the Lamborghini crest. The same design carries along the side with the addition of the safety car stamp. It's hard to miss the lights on the roof, which some might not be a fan of, but I think it makes this car even more special. There we have the two latest Lamborghini cars from Hot Wheels. Let me know in the comments below, would you rather have the Aventador or the Countach? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next Hot Wheels video.